everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Thank you very much for all the support from the last video and all of your likes and comments. I really did good with that tube bending. In today's video I'm gonna present you fully my beautiful lady, my new build that I put so much effort and heart into. We will start component by component and I have prepared some surprises for you, some temperatures. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the like button. Let's go ahead. Here we see 4 fans from Tech with their beautiful RGB. My honest opinion is that they're not super quiet. The RGB looks impressive, they're okay for the look, that's why I keep them on lowest RPM. So they will be quiet and beautiful. Then the centerpiece of the build is my custom, beautiful Gabby Tech plate that they sent me from AliExpress, especially laser engraved for me, and it has RGB and the Oros logo. I completely invented design myself to look cool and techy. My another acrylic plate that I also showed you in previous video that reflects the light in a beautiful and colorful way. And exactly underneath it I put my fan controller with a beautiful eagle. The king of the build is the Oros Extreme Waterforce Z390 motherboard with its beautiful superior monoblock. Look at these edges, this shine, these colors. It's like my heart is pulsating with the same rhythm as these colors of this motherboard. I feel it so close, so loving. This was one of the stuff that I got and I was so sure that I will get it that I said no. Even it happened to me that once I returned one because I saw dust on it and I still found one and I bought it. Because I was in love with this motherboard from the first sight. From the sides, from the monoblock is perfect. Perfect. On the motherboard we see 2 sticks HyperX Fury DDR4 memory, 32GB in total. We have 2 M2s, Samsung Evo and Western Digital. You maybe are thinking, what is this 24-pin cable doing so visibly here? I'm waiting my custom sleeve cable to come so I can cover it and make it look more prettier. Then my tubes, look at these bands, I'm actually good. Beautiful tube, beautiful, look at this tube, beautiful 90-degree, the flow meter, the Barrow fittings, shiny and extremely good quality. If you want to buy fittings, Barrow is the brand for you. Trust me, you will love me afterwards when you buy them. So easy to use, shiny, no scratches, everything perfect. The pump, Tech Antilla D5. You're maybe thinking, what is this doing here? I need to support the pump till I find a way to make the mounting mechanism better in order to hold it from the back, since they didn't actually think how to do it from the company and basically their mounting mechanism is horrible, but I will fix it, I promise, and it will stay without this having to support here. On the side 480mm radiator with 4 Arctic fans. These fans are amazing. They're so quiet. And do you know how much I paid? 7.5 euro for one of them. The best fans in my life. They're the best fans after Noctua, super quiet and they're white. If you want quiet fans, Arctic is amazing brand. You know, Noctua is a little bit more expensive. Arctic, cheap, efficient. I would even change this one with Arctic, but sadly the Arctic one are not RGB, so we keep this one here for the look. These are the components of the build for now. We're waiting the queen to come next to the king, my graphics card. Now we're waiting our queen to come next to the king. The queen is my future graphics card. You can give me a little bit advice. What kind of graphics card should I put into this PC? I'm waiting your comments. And I have a surprise for you. Tonight I'm starting to test the most hyped games for the year with this RX 570 graphics card by Radeon. Because I know a lot of you who are not crazy like me to give thousands of money for hardware are having this graphics card. It's good, especially for 1080p, and I want to push the performance and overclock it a little bit to see what games on what resolution you can play with it in 2021. So stay tuned for these videos. Let's check some temperatures. Maybe you're wondering what's this behind me. This is my mineral wool insulation material that I will use on my wall, and I will do a little bit house modding, studio modding to make it more warm and quiet. You saw the temperatures, you saw everything, and now since it's the end of the video, and if you stayed till the end, I'm very happy, and you maybe like the video and you're subscribed to my channel. I want to tell you one thing that I learned. You know, I'm studying medicine, and on our toxicology lessons they teach us one thing, which is the perfect poison in order to poison somebody without nobody knows that you poisoned him. The perfect poison is thallium. You can read about this noxa and see that it's very sweet and perfect to put into coffee, into honey. And they even told us one case how a daughter killed her father with this poison by putting it into his honey, but eventually they catch her because she also poisoned her kid by mistake. So read about thallium and get back to me in my Instagram or comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe.